Good morning children, open your new Sparkle Semester Series, Standard 2nd, Semester 2nd book. We will start with the revision. Seed to Flower is a poem, page number 6. A plant grows from tiny seeds, some soil, water and sun it needs. Tiny roots grow underground, they draw up food from soil around. A plant grows from a tiny seeds. From a small seed only a plant grows. It require soil, water, sun. Tiny roots grow underground. They draw up food from the soil around. The soil it get the food from the soil around, from its ground soil will be there, no, from there only it gets the food. Next come stumps that are stouts that are stout. Means what? After growing then comes seer. He is sowing the seed. Seer. Then stumps come that are strong one. Then the green leaves spread about. Green leaves come out. Flowers blooms from buds on stumps. Okay, what happens? Flowers blooms. Looks as colorful as priceless gems. It's priceless, means there is no any price for that. It's so pretty one. The flower blooms from buds on stumps. It looks very beautiful. Priceless. There is no price for that. He don't want to sell that one. Some plants bear juicy fruits. Some have vegetables at the shoots. Shower tender love and care so wise. Some plants are what? Some plants are juicy one, just like mango. Grapes also are juicy. Yes or no? Vegetables are also there. Vegetable plants. We have to care them with with love, so much care we have to take. So slowly we have to pour water for that. Shower type water, this tank will be there. With that we have to pour them with love and affection. Watch this new life on the rise, and then we will see the new rise of the small tiny seed what we have, means we have put to grow. It will look very beautiful when it comes up. It will come up. It will give then fruits, vegetables, flowers you can see. Then it's very beautiful to see. Now, exercise 7. Exercise, read the poem, fill in the blanks. Tiny seeds. Underground, around. Green leaves, priceless gems. Tender love. New life. Answer the following questions. See here. What does a tiny seed need to grow into a flower? What it need? A tiny seed needs some soil, water and sunlight to grow into a flower. Then name the parts of the plants as they grow. The parts of the plants are roots, stem, leaves, birds, flowers and fruits. The parts of the plants are roots, stem, leaves, birds, flowers, and last fruits. What does care so wise stands for in the poem? Care so wise. Plants needs water and manure to grow. We must care and give right amount of water, good manure and proper sunlight to the plant to be healthy. Plants need water and manure to grow. We must care and give right amount of water, good manure, khat जिसको बोलते हैं, and prepare and proper sunlight to the plant to be healthy. Plant to be healthy. What grows on the plants? Yes, what grows on the plants? Flowers, juicy fruits and vegetables grows on the plants. Flowers, juicy fruits and vegetables grows on the plants. Yes. So this is the question answers. Yes. Question answers. A, B, C, D is completed. Make sentences using the given words. Grow, grow. We grow plants for food. We grow plants for food. Then, bloom. Flowers bloom from birds. Flowers bloom from birds. Shower. Our parents shower love on us. Shower. Our parents shower love on us. Beer. Beer. Mango tree bears juicy mangoes. Activity language development. Learn all these words. You have to learn all these words. All these words you have to learn. Then, what is the word seer? What is the word? Read the given clues. Select the words from the above table. Write the answer. Crush into powder. That is grind. G-R-I-N-D. Grind. Collect money. Collect money. Fund. Made from wood. Plunk. P-L-A-N-K. Something wet. Damp. D-A-M-P. Damp. Something wet. Damp. Then, sound of pig. Grunt. Carved. Bent. Carved. That is bent. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Select the words from the table. Question 2. The camel has a hump. The camel has a hump. I spend 1 hour on my homework. The fur of my cat is soft. The fur of my cat is soft. Hunters hunt animals. Hunter hunt animals. Children drink milk. Children drink milk. Paste a stamp on the envelope. Paste a stamp on the envelope. Gopal got a nice gift. Gopal got a nice gift. The monk sat in the front row. The monk sat in the front row. Speaking skill. Observe the picture. Explain the growth of a seed to a plant. The growth of a seed, you do it yourself. Speaking skill, how you can explain. So, page number 9, activity grammar, am, is, are, was, were, will, be. This portion was remain. This portion was remain, children. So, please be concentrated. Tina speaks about her visit to the park. Fill in the blanks using am, is, or are. Am, is, or are. Okay. See here. I am Tina. I am Tina. He is Tarun. He is Tarun. He is my brother. He is my brother. Meena and Manoj are our friends. Are our friends. Meena and Manoj are our friends. We are in the park. We are in the park. There are many trees. There are many trees. There are flowers. There are birds and bees. There is a coconut tree in the garden. There are many coconuts on the tree. Coconut water is sweet. I am. When I given, there you have to write am. I am happy that we came here. We came here. Are you happy too? I am happy because we came here. Are you happy too? Yes, this portion was remained. Now I will complete it in the revision only once again. Okay. Page number 10. 9 we have completed. Page number 10 now. Tina had something to say about an event in the past. Use the verbs was and were to complete the sentences. Tina dash in Uti last May. Tina was in Uti last May. Her parents dash were with her. Uti dash very cool. Uti was. Use the verbs they have said with was and were. It was dash very crowded. It was. There dash many people from all parts of India. There were many people from all parts of India. They dash shopping. They were shopping. People dash happy moving in the streets. People were happy moving in the streets. See here. Tina was in Uti last May. Her parents were with her. Uti was very cool. It was very crowded. There were many people from all parts of India. They were shopping. People were happy moving in the streets. Now, third one is Tina speaks about the future events. By using the verb will be. Replace the underlined verbs with will be and rewrite the sentences. Here. The visit to Ooty is given underline is a hit. The visit to Ooty will be a hit. The visit to Ooty will be a hit. The visit to Ooty will be a hit. Then, people were happy. We have to put their verbs with will be. People will be happy. Where? People were happy. People will be happy. Tina was in the garden. Tina will be in the garden. I am in the market. Will be. They asked us to rewrite the sentences. I will be in the market. I am in the market. I will be in the market. Now, underline the verbs in the following sentences. Write in the box whether they tell about the present, past or future. present, past, or underline the first, we will underline the verbs. The children are at the park. The children are at the park. First, we will underline are, A-R-E, are. Then, the children are at the park. At the park, it is present. It is present. They were at the market this morning. Where? First verbs in the following, underline the verbs in the following sentences. Where? We have underlined where. See here, where. So, they were, that is past. They were, that is right here, past. The bus stop was crowded. The bus stop was crowded. The bus stop was, yes, this is also past. This is also past. So, there is no bus available to go home. There is no bus. This present word we are speaking about. There is no bus available. Is ko underline. We will be taking a taxi. We will be underline. We will be, hum dekhenge, lenge. Will be taking a taxi. That is future of future. Okay. Complete the sentences using is, are, was, were, or will be. Montu was absent yesterday. Montu was absent yesterday. He is present today. He is present today. He will be writing an exam tomorrow. He will be writing an exam tomorrow. Montu was absent yesterday. He is present today. He will be writing an exam tomorrow. Challenge. In each sentence, circle the incorrectly used verb. Write the correct verb on the line. The sun was a source of energy. The sun was you circle, was. And the sun is a source of energy. The sun is a source of energy. The elephant will be a mammal. The elephant will be a mammal. The elephant is a mammal. The elephant is a mammal. Will be, circle it. You circle the will be. Eggs were an animal product. Eggs were, do circle. And eggs are an animal product. Eggs are an animal product. The dinosaur is a living animal. The dinosaur is there, circle it, and the dinosaur was. The dinosaur was a living animal. Eggs are an animal product. The dinosaur was a living animal. Okay. Now, write sentences using the given verbs. Okay, now write sentences using the given verbs. Using the given verbs here. Am, is, are, was, and were. So, I am Tina. What they have asked you? Write sentences using the given verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. So, I am Tina. I am Tina. That is a ball. That is a ball. We are friends. We are friends. It was a butterfly. It was a butterfly. They were boys. They were boys. Okay, children. This only portion, little portion was remained. I told you after the complete of the lesson, after completing of the lion and the mouse, I will complete this. But I have continued started the front syllabus, the remaining syllabus. So this portion what I have, activity grammar was remained from 9 page to 11. This portion was remained which I have completed. So don't say teacher has not given. This portion was remained. It is been completed in the first revision of seed to flower. Seed to flower, you learned by heart the poem. Learn by heart the poem. I am going to put in exam. Seed to flower. A plant grows from tiny seeds. Some soil, water and sun it needs. Tiny roots grow underground. They draw up food from soil around. This will be given. After that, from exercise, read the poem, fill in the blanks. Exercise from 7, page number 7 to 11. Now 7 to 11, all this you have to write for only 2 times and learn by heart. You have to learn by heart. Everything is given for you. The revision is going on. You just open your video and go for the revision. Go for the revision. Yes. Page number 6. Writing is from page number 7. Poem you have to learn by heart. Exercise starts from page number 7 to where you have to complete? Page number 11. Page number 11. So everything has been completed. Revision. Seed to flower you have to do only for 2 times. We will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.